you'll be able to find a property that you could be all in for $75,000 in Akron, Ohio, and it could rent out for $1,200, $1,300 a month at $75,000 all in, kind of good condition, and then you could pay $60,000 for one in a really terrible area and you're really screwed. But neither of those would really get the same financing at that DSCR lender. It just makes the interest rates higher. It makes just everything a little bit higher. Now, if you're using banks, they'll finance some of these with some different terms, and they're just really annoying and obtrusive, and they're going to look through all your everythings and slow. That's the only thing. It's tons of paperwork, and then eventually you get too many with them and they kind of don't like you anymore. You're like, what in the heck are you doing? You're so hot and cold. Like, I don't like dating banks. That's why. DSCR lenders, they always love me. I know how they love me. I just give them what they want and they love me every day of the week. So they're very predictable, and I love that when it comes to real estate, because I'm just trying to reduce variables and risk mitigate any potential situations. And I don't want there to be something bad with funding.